Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you connect your MSI monitor to external speakers. So here's a fixed guide for your audio out, AUX, optical and volume. Method 1. Use the monitor's 3.5 mm audio out jack. Connect your PC, Xbox, PS5 or other device to the MSI monitor using HDMI or DisplayPort. Plug a 3.5 mm audio cable into the monitor's headphone or audio output. Connect the other end to your powered speakers or speaker amplifier. Turn on the speakers and adjust your volume. If needed, open the monitor's OSD menu and make sure audio output is enabled. Method 2. Connect speakers directly to your device. If your monitor doesn't have an audio output, connect the speakers directly to your PC, Xbox, or other source device. Set the device to output sound through the connected speakers. Adjust the volume on both the device and the speakers. Method 3. Use USB speakers. This is for PC only. Plug the USB speakers into your computer. Connect the PC to the MSI monitor for video. In your operating system sound settings, you can select the USB speakers as the default audio output. If you don't hear sound, make sure your speakers are powered on and the volume is turned up. Check that the audio cable is fully inserted. Verify your PC or console is sending audio over HDMI or DisplayPort. Select the correct playback device in your PC's sound settings. Test the speakers with another device to confirm they work. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.